Hello, welcome back to my channel. You've just caught my cat Luna trying to steal a ball of yarn. Isn't she cute doing it? She shouldn't, but she's so cute. It's still my vacation and we went to see the palace in Apeldoorn called Het Loo. And it's a lovely palace. It's one of the few we have, and we went to see it. It has been remodeled, and my son insisted on carrying the backpack, and he's looking very tough doing it, doesn't he? The carpets that cover the wooden floors exactly mirror the one that's underneath it. Isn't that cool? Really thought that was really cool. And there we're under the fountain and you can see the water flowing. I love this sight. They take bouquets out of the garden too. And my Zweig is done, which is very nice. And it fits me. And I actually made sleeves with another colourwork detail in it. I actually love it. Here's some better light, you can see it. Well, have a creative week all. See you next time.